Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can set up a very cool live wallpaper for your desktop home screen. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to set up a very cool live wallpaper for your desktop home screen, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for that, you would have to download this app first, since this is the app that we will use to set up our live wallpapers. And if you're wondering why we need to use this app rather than just using our Windows settings to change wallpapers, it's actually because Windows doesn't let you use true animated wallpapers directly, since they only support static wallpapers by default. So we will need to use this app to be able to set up our live wallpapers. So to download this app, just go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, I want you to search for this. And after searching, you will then see this website. So this is where we will download the app. Just go and click it. And then after that, you will now see the download button right here. Just go and click it. And then the installer for the app will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then it will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, the app will now be open, and you have now completed the first phase of the tutorial by installing the Lively Wallpaper app just like that. And now, since we already have the app, the next step is to find the live wallpaper that we want to use as our desktop background. So for that, you just have to search for live wallpapers on Google depending on the category that you prefer. In my case, I will just search for anime live wallpapers. And then after searching, you will now see many websites where you can install live wallpapers for free, so just open any website. And then on those websites you will now see a lot of live wallpapers, so just select anything you like and then download it. And once you've finished downloading the live wallpaper that you will use, you can now go back to the app that we downloaded. And then once you're back on the app, I want you to go to the Gallery tab. And here on Gallery, I want you to click this plus icon to add your wallpaper. And then click this Choose a File option. And after clicking it, your File Explorer will now appear, so just find the live wallpaper you've downloaded. And once you've found it, just go and select it. And then click OK. And after that, there you go guys, it's done. Congratulations, you have now changed your desktop wallpaper into a very cool live one just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.